Next topic is linear sum of two subspaces. Let me take two subspaces W1 and W2 of a vector space V over F. Then their linear sum, as the name indicates, we are trying to add the vector spaces. It is defined as set of those elements which are obtaining the first element from the first subset and the second element from the second subset. So let me show you something interesting. Let us take U an element from W1. Then can I write it as U plus 0? I can always write like this. So U plus 0 would obviously belong to W1 plus W2 because this 0 is in W2. W2 is a subspace, so 0 would be there only. So what we have done, we have shown for any U from W1 that U is also in W1 plus W2. So what does this mean? This means W1 is contained in W1 plus W2. Similarly, if we fix V belonging to W2 and writing 0 plus V, that would belong to W1 plus W2. So it means W2 is also contained in W1 plus W2. And combining 1 and 2, can I write W1 union W2? Since W1 is contained in W1 plus W2, W2 is contained in this. So their union will obviously be in W1 plus W2. So what does this thing mean? This means the union of subspaces that is in W1 plus W2. But from here it is not obvious that converse is also true. We can try to prove it. Let us see. Next, for the second part, now we are trying to prove that W1 plus W2 is also contained in W1 union W2. You can write like this or you can denote it by this. This is same thing. This is a subspace W1 union W2. For subspace sometimes we use this symbol. Alright. So to prove this, what we need to prove? We will prove that if we take some random x from W1 plus W2, then that x would also be in W1 union W2. Right. So let me take x from W1 plus W2. So how it would look as per definition of W1 plus W2? It would look like U1 plus U2, where U1 is from W1 and U2 is from W2. It will look like this. Now, if you can observe, can I write like this? So we have written x as linear combination of U1 and U2. Alright. Now I am saying this linear combination of U1 plus U2. What is this actually? Now U1 is from W1, U2 is from W2. So U1 and U2, they are both in union. This is the definition of union. All the elements of W1, all the elements of W2, that will give you union. So these two are in union. So we have written X as linear combination of elements of W1 union W2. So what does that mean? That would mean X is belonging to this. So we are done with this part also. So what we have proved? We have proved that W1 W1 plus W2 is equal to this set. So next we are trying to prove that W1 plus W2 is also a subspace. So how we prove a subspace? We take two random elements from that space and we take two random elements from field. Then we try to prove that their linear combination is also in that space, in that set. So how would these x and y look like as per definition of W1 plus W2? X will look something like this, where U1 is from W1 and V1 is from W2. Similarly, y would look something like U2 plus V2, where U1 is from W1 and u2 is from w1 and v2 is from w2. This is the definition of w1 plus w2. Now let us come to this thing. Let us see what would ax plus by look like. So I am writing u1 plus v1 plus u2 plus v2. So this will be au1 plus, I am combining this and this, bu2 plus av1 plus bv2. Now I am saying that this is in w1 and this is in w2. Why? Because w1 is the subspace. So linear combination of two elements. This was in w1, this was in w1. Since w1 is a subspace, so obviously this has to be in w1. Similarly, this is in w2, this is in w2, and a and b are from field. Since w2 is a subspace, so this also has to be in w2. So what we have proved actually? We have proved that this is belonging to w1 plus w2. That's it.